He's still a kapuso because he signed recently a new contract with them. This is Alwin Ignacio, the TV that you love. Together with me is my kumaring Ultra Maldita,
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching the Sunday edition of the Kitty Show, Tarayan na Talakayan, Showbiz Abunda. And of course, alam niyo naman, pag bagong pirma ka ng kontrata sa Kapuso, isa sa mga palatuntunang iyong uupuan ay ang Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. At ang sealed with a contract nga nilang artist ay si Ginoong Dennis Trillo. And during the course of the interview, na napanood ko, maganda naman yung sinabi ni Boy na parang of all young actors, laging pag kinakanong ko sino yung favorite actor mo, laging kasama si Dennis Trillo sa listahan. And during the course of the conversation, kung ano man yung mga gusto niyang gawin in the nearest future, naitanong kay Boy, ni Boy kay Dennis, kung ready pa siya na gumawa ng isang eksena that will require him to do full frontal. Ang sabi naman ni Dennis, kung kailangan na kailangan, at talagang maganda yung script, at talagang yung director ay pinagkakatiwalaan niya, at gagawin niya. Hindi sa kanya issue ang gumawa ng full frontal for as long as good script, great director, and it's needed sa film. Ang tanong, sa edad niya bang to, excited pa ang lahat na mag full frontal siya?
Yes.
Okay, because?
And no.
O, doon ka tayo sa yes.
Yes, because he's not done that.
Mhm.
There is
Kumbaga,
an
there's a
element
novelty,
of there
surprise.
is an element of surprise.
An element of novelty.
Di ba? So it's a welcome move, di ba?
Yung
Because
okay, because
tawag dito because marami pa rin mong nagnanasa sa kanya.
yes, it's a
Diba?
very well-kept, maayos ng pangangatawan at itsura na Dennis Trillo for someone who's already 40-something. Diba? Parang ano siya, daddy na masarap. Okay? Yung no,
because baka makompare siya sa mga Viva Max who is much younger.
okay.
Mas maskulado. Di ba?
Masariwa.
Oo,
Mas
masariwa.
katabang-takam.
Oo. Di ba? Although his advantage is that
He's Dennis
he can
Trillo.
act.
He's Dennis Trillo.
At saka he can act. Compared to those yung mga nagbi-Viva Max na lalaki.
Oo.
Di ba? I have no bad intention sa mga Viva Max.
Men.
Pero I've seen yung
A couple?
ilan, they're no better than Dennis